SCF tanker explosion, fire, but reportedly, nothing serious happened. Product tanker NS Point according to unconfirmed information suffered explosion in engine room, followed by fire, in Baltic Sea in Latvian responsibility zone, early in the morning Mar 19. Latest AIS recorded some 13 hours ago, no AIS since around 06:00 Tanker at that time was halfway between Swedish and Polish coasts, sailing at some 13 knots. Destination Vysotsk Russia, Gulf of Finland, ETA Mar 20. Update 1250 knot, reportedly nothing serious happened. Product tanker NS Point, IMO 9,329,655, DWT 40,149, built 2008, flag Liberia, owner SCF Russia.